Hey, Lafna. Welcome back to the Reppin' the Green Show. Sorry, Green Zara Vlogs. Welcome back to the Green Zara Vlogs. Today we're making bracelets. We're by the seaside, looking at Port St. George's, right? We just saw Costa Fortuna just left Port St. George, and you're now looking at Ada Bella. Ada Bella with a wink. Right? We got Ada Bella inside Port St. George's right now, and we're about to make some bracelets. Hopefully we can get some inspiration, right? See, make sure you guys get your materials organized and come and make some bracelets with me today. Come on, join me today making some bracelets. Right now I'm about to add Grenada colors to my bracelets, to my bracelet collection. That's the red, the yellow, the green, as you know. As you know, the red, the yellow, and the green. As I said earlier in one of my previous videos, the green stands for the green stands for prosperity, right? The yellow stands for the green stands for strength, yellow stands for prosperity, and the red stands for unity. Green, prosperity, yellow, prosperity, and red, unity. Prosperity, green, prosperity, green, strength is green, prosperity yellow, and unity red. And it's that. So yeah guys, how was your day today, Monday? How was your day today, Monday, man? Today we had 2 tourist boats in Port St. George's today, okay? We had 2 tourist boats in Port St. George's today. Boy. We had 2 tourist boats Port St. George's today, chan. I can't afford to lose my lights. I don't know if it is. So yeah guys, if you're enjoying the video, hit the like button, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Right now we're making macrame bracelets by the seaside. Watching Ada Bella on Port St. George's, and we're also watching Costa Fortuna leaving right now. Costa Fortuna is leaving. We already said goodbye in our previous videos. Costa Fortuna is leaving Port St. George's. Say goodbye. Please come again. Costa Fortuna, please come again. Bring 10 of your friends. Is 10 of your friends too much? Bring 5. 5. 5 is enough. So yeah guys, let's go. Let's continue making our macrame bracelet. Soon you'll see how this one is going. This one, as I said, is inspired by the Grenada colors, right? And if you don't know how to make a Shambhala bracelet, you should look at one of my other previous videos or my Reppin' the Green show. I give you more information, but today, if you want a short little piece of idea, if you guys want an idea how to make it, I can tell you. First of all, you gotta get your cord. You understand me? Get your cord. You can use a loom like what I'm using right here with 4 corners, as you see. Right? You can tie one end, you know, tie the center part from one end to the next. So you need to have at least 3 pieces of cord. 3 pieces of cord. 1 for center and 1 for the macrame. And this is called a macrame pattern. 1 to do the macrame pattern on top of the center piece, like so. 1 to go so, and 1 to go so. And then there's another one to complete the shambala. Just a small portion of macrame you need to have to complete the shambala. So that's 3 pieces of cord that you need to have to make 1 shambala bracelet. Did you know that? Did you know that, chat? If you knew that, put a yes in the comment section. The question is, did you know it took 3 pieces of cord, sometimes 5 pieces of cord, to make 1 single bracelet? Did you know that, chat? Put a yes or a no in the comment section. So, you perform the macrame with the longest piece of cord across your center cord. Your center cord could be as long as you want it to if you measure the person's hand. So you measure the person's hand, you leave a length for the bead on both sides, and that's your measurement for your center cord. You understand me? Once you get that done, chat, all you have to do is tie a knot at the center. Find the center point of your macrame cord. Find the center of your macrame cord and tie a knot at the beginning. Okay guys, so we have, oh shit, I almost thought the ship was leaving, but it's not leaving. The ship ain't leaving, chat. It's here, it's still here. So yeah guys, let me try and give you all a close-up of what I'm doing. Okay? I'm about to give you all a close-up of what I'm doing real soon so you can see exactly how to do the macrame. Okay? You're going to see how to do the macrame in a second. But I'll give you in terms of the theory, what you need to understand is it takes 3 to 5 pieces of cord to make a macrame. There is a center cord that deserves the measurement of your wrist before you start. Once you load it up on your loom or wherever you plan to make your bracelet, you can even make a bracelet on a table, on a tree, next to a post.